back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some hair I was sent from MyFirstWigs. So this is their packaging. They switched it up on me because normally I think it's black packaging. If y'all don't know, I love MyFirstWigs. They are so beginner friendly. Literally, you don't have to do nothing. Normally, well, not normally, but sometimes I do go in and I pluck the hairline down. The knots are already bleached. The hairline is actually already pre-plucked. It depends on how I feel. Sometimes I plug it some more, sometimes I don't. This time I'm not. I'm just going to be wearing it straight out of the box, but this is what it looks like. So construction, they give you 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, a little bit of lace, and they also give you adjustable straps and an elastic band. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on. And the hair smells so good. So this is pretty. This is what we looking like. This good old hairline. So that's what the hairline is looking like. It did come as a middle part. I'm probably going to keep it as a middle part, but the lace stops right here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start styling her. And yeah, just keep on watching. Alright, so I went ahead and cut off my lace, and now I'm about to apply my wig. I did go ahead and use the elastic band to adjust. I meant to, you know, adjust the wig so it can fit a little tighter on my head, but honestly it's not. So I'm gonna have to use the actual adjustable straps because the elastic band is not doing anything for my small head. So I feel like the adjustable strap always does the job. So let's see. Yeah, this is fitting much better. And if you wanted to, you could go glueless with this. You don't have to adhere the lace if you don't want to. So I'm gonna go in with this wig dealer, and yeah. So I'm going to let this stay on for about 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm going in with my wand curler, and I'm going to mold my part just so it can stay in place, you know. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to be using some of this flyaway tamer. You can purchase, when you purchase your wig, you can add this to your purchase. I don't think that it actually comes with the wig, but this is for the flyaways, and this stuff works wonders. So I'm gonna place that in there. Then I'm gonna go back in with my wand curler. Where my comb at? Now I'm gonna go in, just because I see like my wig cap right here, so it kind of looks strange. See, my wig cap starts right there. So I'm gonna go in with some concealer and put it in the part. Alright, so it's been a minute. I was doing other stuff, so we're going to take this off. Ooh, do y'all see this? And I want this to lay a little bit flatter, so I'm gonna go in. Where's my clip? Now that I have my straighteners heating up, I'm going to, I don't even know, should I? Should I add these baby hairs? Because, you know. Let's add them. Something slight. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the information to this wig will be listed in my description box, just in case any of you guys are interested. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. She cute.